We don't entertain men who wear skirts on top and you wear some petty vest, which makes it so annoying. Please, as a man, trousers is meant for you. When you go to UK, they call it pants. Hello, people of Zambia. My name is DJ Parker Rich, and I'm speaking all the way from Ghana. I have this piece of advice for you. Please see, Ghana, that's you they play with them like that. They are not good people. If you like, ask Nigerians. Ghanaians are the ones that if you have issues with them, they will torment you till you die, and when you die, they will torment your ghost. You can ask Nigerians. Ghana had no business at Africa Cup of Nations, but before Nigeria knew, Ghanaians were the one officiating their most crucial and important match. See, we understand that you are a skirt-wearing nation. We agree. Our major problem is that we have a minister here in Ghana called Sam George. He dislikes men in skirts. You can ask, what's that guy's name? I'll get it. You understand? But the most important thing as a Ghanaian is that we don't entertain men who wear skirts on top and you wear some petty vest, which makes it so annoying. Please, as a man, trousers is meant for you. When you go to UK, they call it pants. Men don't wear skirts, all in the name of traditional wear or whatever they call it. And you see, Ghana is a big deal. You understand? Zambia, you need to understand Ghana is a big deal. Your destiny lies in our hands. If Zambia is going to be a better country tomorrow, it will depend on the decisions of Ghana. I'm not joking with you. We won our independence 1957, and that smoke where we wear where you mock at us. It be that way when our first presidents were to declare independence. So that's a very powerful costume. That same mark someday will be bulletproof if you don't know. If you shoot, bullets no they penetrate. You can go to the north and you go ask. They go tell you. I beg you, Zambia. We don't deal with people in skirts. Please, we are not your mates. Zambia, respect yourself. Ghana is a big deal. You understand? We have a man called Ibrahim Mahama in Ghana. He can buy Zambia. Yes, he can buy Zambia and turn it to a kindergarten school. Don't play with us. Ghana is a serious nation. Can't you look at our president? He's a very serious man. He knows what he's doing. You understand? How many television stations do you have in Zambia? How do you even get to receive emails in Zambia? Do you have internet in Zambia? Do you have cars in Zambia? I realize you people are still riding on donkeys and camels. Ghana is a big nation. Ghana, we have our own airline called Ghana Airways. But it's invisible. Because we are just like the American Air Force. When we are coming, we come unnoticed. And you feel our presence. We have the Ghana Online Army and you cannot defeat us. We are unbeatable. My name is DJ Parker Rich. You can follow me on all social media platforms.